Hey y'all, I'm Jen and this is Sassy Southern Insta Girl, and I'm going to do a review on this tool that I got on TEMU, and you guys have seen it. Quite a few people have hauled it. But somebody asked me to, I think Carrie from Carrie's Crafts asked me to let her know what I thought about it. I did use it for this, right here, and honestly, I'm super happy with how the loops turned out. I do have other tools that I have tried to use to do this, and this is the cleanest looking loops that I've ever had. So I'm going to show you guys, where did my little, oh, here it is. So I'm going to show you guys what I did. I am using one of the little eye pin thingies, and a bead. Oh, I guess I'm not using that bead. I guess I'll have to go back to the other. I wanted to use this bead because I like the color of it, but I guess I'm going to have to go back to the other bead I had because this one doesn't want to stay on the little thing. So let me dig out the one I had. This is the one I was using. Okay. Okay, and I also have one of these sparkly flat beads. And this one is kind of like Christmas colors. It's red and green and like a, kind of like a gold, but it kind of looks like Auburn, not Auburn. I don't know what the color is. And I used a gold, one of these, daggone, y'all, I can't hold on to nothing. One of these gold flat beads with the rhinestones all around the center. I just think these are so pretty. Yeah, so we're going to use this black bead and then this kind of chrome bead with the silver rhinestones. Now, normally what I would do is cut off some of this. And in the future, I may still do that. But what I did is I went to the very end of this and made sure that it laid right in that little, like right in the center of that open spot right here. So that when I close it, it's gonna bend into there. Then I wrapped it around one time. And then I went further down and kind of wrapped it again to create a little hook. And then what I did was I just kept wrapping it. So I put that in there. Hold on, y'all. Okay. So I put that in there and wrapped it. I came out here and wrapped it. And then I just kind of, of course, now that I'm doing this on camera, it's not going to do. It's going to act a fool. Yeah, it's okay. I'm going to have to get another one. This is definitely not working. Why? Why? Where is my cutter? I don't know why. It worked so perfectly off camera. Now it wants to act crazy. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, now it's working. Okay, So basically I just twist, take it out, twist, take it out, twist. And it makes perfectly symmetrical little loops. It's like the coolest thing ever. And you don't have to worry about cutting anything. Look at that. You don't have to worry. I'll take a picture because I don't know if you guys can see how clear, but it makes the most perfectly symmetrical. These are the best wire wrapped dangles I've ever made. And I've only made 2. But like, I am so impressed and so excited. And I will link this down in the description below if you have not bought this yet. I can't remember how much I paid for it, but you know, the prices are always changing on TEMU. But y'all, I'm obsessed with this thing. It is so freaking cool. Let's make another one. Let's do, I'm going to do a red one, and I'll do one of these little hooky beads, and I'll do another one of these like Christmassy beads. And it's like, it's so easy, like I want to keep making them. I just want to keep doing it. And this one's a little bit longer, so I may cut a little bit of this one off. Sorry if you can hear my crazy child. Yeah, I'm going to cut a little bit of this off because I don't want there to be too much. Okay. And by the way, this is that rotating organizer thing from Dollar Tree. I think it's like $5. It's really cool. I put all of my jewelry making tools in here, and it's pretty nifty if you were wondering. Okay, so we'll do, so let's do this again, and hopefully I can make this one do like the other one. Okay. Oopsie. And watch it now, it's not gonna do. It's a little off, but that's okay. I can get it to work. But yeah, this is awesome. Like, once you like get into a rhythm, it's, yeah, there we go. Once you get into a rhythm with it, it's amazing. This one's a little bit off because I didn't do the loop right, but you can adjust it with your other tools to make it, or cut it. Yeah, I'll probably just cut that. But anyway, yeah, I love this thing. It is a learning curve a little bit. Because as you can see, I have a hard time remembering how I started it to get it to do the perfect little loopies. But once you get it, y'all, it's amazing. So I give this 5 stars, 10, however many stars you can give something. 5 stars. There we go. Perfect. And then you have a perfect little set of dangles in like no time. And then you can put your little, that's a bead cap. You can do your little jump rings. So let me know what you guys think. Have you used it? And I will see you guys in the next one. And remember, do something every day that will inch you closer to a better tomorrow, and keep it sassy, y'all. Bye.